उनके साथ में खेलता था और वो मुझे जीतने देते थे। आज भी जीतने ही दे रहे हैं मुझे जीवन में। जी
अभिषेक, प्रो कबड्डी के प्रोमोस टीवी पे आ रहे हैं और जिस तरह से प्रोमो में पता चल रहा है कि काफ़ी कनेक्ट करना चाहते हैं आप ऑडियंस के साथ एक नेशनल गेम को इस तरह से दिखाने के लिए, लेकिन क्या लगता है कल जब टीवी पे जब मैच शुरू होने वाला होगा तो क्या क्रिकेट जैसी पॉपुलैरिटी मिल पाएगी इस प्रो कबड्डी को भी?
जी नहीं, अभी तो नहीं, चाहेंगे कि अगले साल हो जाए। देखिए, शुरुआत छोटी होनी चाहिए लेकिन शुरुआत होनी चाहिए। कबड्डी, and I'm saying this because my team has researched this, percentage wise, kabaddi sells more tickets than cricket. If you go to a kabaddi match, most of the local kabaddi matches are usually sold out, each and every one of them, usually. It is an immensely popular sport which needs a platform and a voice, and that is what I need you all to do. Is it going to be as popular as cricket? It isn't right now. But we hope through the Pro Kabaddi League, and not just for Kabaddi, but other sports that don't have the same kind of prominence. हम सब cricket के चाहते हैं. We're all cricket fans. We all love the Indian cricket team. And we have nothing against it. But we want to also try and elevate Kabaddi to the same level. We have to try. We have to hope. We have to dream. That's it.
Abhishek here.
Good evening, Sachin from NewsX. Abhishek, after all, it's a business proposition also. How successful do you think this will be a business proposition, keeping in mind that Kabaddi is, after all, not a very popular TV sport?
Right. I think the greatest help we have got in Kabaddi as a sport and to promote it as a sport is the coming on board of Star Sports. And I'd like to thank them. I think they've done an outstanding job. I mean, Mumbai is plastered with posters of Pro Kabaddi League. TV is flushed with promos of Pro Kabaddi League, and they've just put their marketing might behind it. And for Star Sports to pick up Pro Kabaddi League for the duration of the tournament, air it every day at prime time on Star Sports and Star Gold is a huge commitment. And I think that will make a huge impact to the people that view Kabaddi and how they view Kabaddi. And I just feel that tomorrow as a business, if you're going to look at something like this, when you're starting something new, you're trying to be a game changer, you're trying to do something new, if you're just going to think about a business model, it's not going to work. You have to stick your neck out a bit. I mean, I'm not going to bore you with the figures and everything, but yes, I don't think any franchisee is under any illusions of grandeur that, you know, in the first year itself, we're all going to become profitable. Nobody's expecting that. That is why each and every franchisee has signed on for minimum 10 years. Everybody's here for the long run. Everybody's here to make a difference. We all know it's going to take 2 to 3 years, I feel, for the sport to make a proper impact. But we're all here. We're all, you know, in it. We're stuck in, and we're in it for the long run. And I predict 2 to 3 years it'll take to turn it into a profitable venture.
अभिषेक here, जो आपने सॉक्स पहन रखा है वो भी पिंक कलर का है, सो खास वजह टीम के लिए या फिर?
Obviously, na ma'am. Pink Panthers is my team, so I'm wearing pink socks. मैं इनकी तरह pink jersey पहन के तो नहीं आ सकता था. I'm not a player.
Yeah.
So this is my support. You like them?
Yes.
I'll give them to you afterwards. I'll wash them first.
But बड़ा girly लग रहा है, लड़की वाला कलर है.
No, who said pink is a girly color? And we're in the age of metrosexuals, ma'am. There's nothing girly.
So और किस तरह से support करने वाले हैं अपनी इस टीम के लिए?
मैं कैसे support
Yes.
करने वाला हूँ?
हाँ.
मैंने तो काफी कुछ कर लिया support करने के लिए already.
But कितना presence होगा आपका यहाँ पर, मतलब
जी जहाँ भी हो सकता है मैं आने की कोशिश करूँगा. ये तो मैं पिछले एक हफ्ते से इन सब लड़कों के साथ रहा हूँ जयपुर में. इन्होंने मुझे कबड्डी इनके स्टाइल में खेलना भी सिखाया है. And I've had a lot of fun with them, and I will travel with the team as much as I can, and you know, try and support them to the best of my ability. बस हम लोग, जैसे मैंने कहा कि I can do whatever is possible for me, and then hope that you know, the people enjoy watching the sport.
अभिषेक, आपने कब कबड्डी फर्स्ट टाइम कब खेला था?
डेट तो याद नहीं है मुझे मैम, लेकिन मुझे याद है कि बचपन में मैंने एक फिल्म देखी थी, गंगा की सौगंध, जो डैड की एक फिल्म है. उसमें वो कबड्डी खेलते हैं. एंड फिल्म देखने के बाद उन दिनों में VHS टेप्स आते थे, सो आई सॉ इट ऑन VHS, और मैंने उनसे पूछा कि ये मुझे सीखना है. तो वो मुझे गार्डन में ले गए, प्रतीक्षा के गार्डन में. उन्हें कबड्डी सिखाया उन्होंने मुझे, और उनके साथ में खेलता था, और वो मुझे जीतने देते थे. आज भी जीतने ही दे रहे हैं मुझे जीवन में, लेकिन that's how I started. And then many years later, बचपन में तो सब लोग ही खेले, आप लोग सब खेले हो ना, आप लोगों ने तो बताया भी मुझे. हाँ, तो फिर बड़े होके जब I went to Delhi to study, और दिल्ली में in my school I used to play kabaddi. It was a sport that was required in the school.
अमिताभ जी लाइक आपकी टीम के लिए उनका क्या कहना है, मतलब लाइक जो इतना बड़ा टेक आपने लिया है एक स्पोर्ट्स.
He's very excited. आज मैंने उनको जाके उनका जर्सी दिया, and he's very excited. कल वो आने वाले हैं for the match, and he's very very excited. He's very happy that I got into kabaddi and I'm promoting something which he believes is a sport that needs to be promoted, something that's very close to him.
And वो